Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to the Mehki's Vibe. The topic of today's mnemonic series is biological classification. So let's start it. First of all, let's have a brief what's inside in this chapter. In this chapter, though, R.H. Whittaker in 1969 divided all living organisms into 5 kingdoms. That is Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protist, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae and Kingdom Animalia. To learn the criteria that what are those factors in which the all living organisms are divided into 5 kingdoms, you can learn the table that is present in the page number 17 of the 11th Biologic NCERT with the help of a trick. So first of all, you have to learn this sentence, that is Twitter wale Narendra Modi on. This sentence shows the criteria, that characters on which the classification has been done. Like this T stands for the cell type, and W stands for cell wall, and then that is Narendra Modi stands for the nuclear membrane, and O stands for the body organization, and N stands for the mode of nutrition. The second topic is Kingdom Protist. The Kingdom Protist is divided into 5 parts, that is chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime molds and protozoans. To learn this, you can learn this trick that Parul Sharma inquires candidate plans and documents. Here P stands for Parul, that is protist. Sharma, S stands for slime molds. Inquires, E stands for euglenoids. And candidate, C stands for the chrysophytes. P stands for protozoans and D stands for the dinoflagellates. The third topic is Kingdom Fungi. Some special features of fungi is that the cell wall is made up of chitin and they are mainly heterotrophs. They do not show the property of autotrophic. They are completely heterotroph and mainly in the form of saprophytes or in parasitic form. The Kingdom Fungi is divided into the 4 categories, that is Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. To learn the parts of the Kingdom Fungi, you can learn this trick that brown ducky and penguins are friends. Here B, brown stands for Basidio, ducky stands for Deuteromycetes and stand for Ascomycetes, penguin P stands for Phycomycetes and friend stands for F, that is fungi. Further, the examples of this Kingdom Fungi parts I will show on the screen. Here, there, and please let me know what's your views regarding this video, and it's a great gesture for me if you really found it useful. And if you have any video suggestion, you can DM me on Instagram too, and please don't forget to follow me there also and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.